We're going to take some live sound from Tel Aviv now, and the air raid sirens going off right now as we speak in the Israeli city. Let's listen in for a bit. Okay, so there you have it, air raid sirens going off in Tel Aviv after Iran warned earlier today that it was preparing to strike Israel, the largest and most intense missile attack in its history on Israeli soil, after the Israelis earlier targeted Iranian state television in Tehran. The air raid sirens have gone off. There is Bernard Smith with us in Amman. Bernard is available. Is he there? No. Okay. Okay. Bernard is not there yet. Okay, we will go to him in a second. Let's just, there it is. We heard the air raid siren, and now we've seen that first flare in the night over the skies of Tel Aviv, Israel.